are here in Walter Mart in Makati, for a express yourself for the Valentine's Day here at the Expressions store. And as you can see, all of those love notes are made by our friendly vloggers. Yan. Kasi nakakalimutan na ng mga tao ang Valentine's, and this is a way of expressing ourselves, single man or hindi, may ka-date sa Valentine's o wala. So, expressing the love. Ayan. So, visit ka na kayo dito sa Walter Mart, Makati, sa Expression, to see more of our works. Doodle here. So, happy Valentine's Day sa lahat, and thank you for watching this video.